Good morning, sir. This is my reflection video about our topic for final week 1 to final week 4 about shipboard oil pollution emergency plan or SOPEP. The plan consisting of procedures and description of action to be taken in the event of an oil pollution incident according to MARPOL 7378 Annex 1 Regulation 26. Every oil tanker of 150 tons gross tonnage and above and every ship other than an oil tanker of 400 tons gross tonnage and above shall carry on board a shipboard oil pollution management emergency plan approved by administration. The SOPEP shall be written in accordance with the requirements of Regulation 26 of Annex 1 of the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, 1973, as modified by Protocol of 1978 relating thereto. The purpose of the SOPEP is to provide guidance to the master and officer on board ship with respect to the step to be taken when an oil pollution incident has occurred or is likely to occur. The SOPEP shall contain all information and operational instruction as required by the guidelines of development of the shipboard oil pollution emergency plan as developed by the organization of IMO and published under MAPC 256. The appendices contain names, telephone, telex numbers, etc. and etc. of all contacts referenced in the SOPEP as well as other reference material. The SOPEP has been approved by administration and except as provided. No alteration or revision shall be made to any part of it without the prior approval of the administration. Changes to non-mandatory information and the appendices will not be required to approve by the administration. The appendices should be maintained to update by the owners, operators, and managers. So, garbage record book or garbage management plan. Ships with a garbage management plan are also required to have a garbage record book on board in a place where it can be easily inspected. The record book must be filled in by the officers in charge. After every discharge of garbage into the sea, every delivery of garbage to portways, receptions, facilities, and every incineration operation, each entry should highlight the position of the ship, the date and time of the operation, an estimate of the amount and description of the type of garbage. The master of the ship signs its page after it is completed. The record should be kept for 2 years once the book is completed. So that's all, sir, for my reflection video about our topic, in final week 1 to final week 4 discussion.